Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're the family organizer. This is required because only organizers change or remove family safety. Once signed in at account. Microsoft. With that organizer account, make sure you see the family group listed. Next, remove any child accounts you don't want managed by family safety. You do this because family safety settings stick to accounts, not devices. Finally, check Microsoft Store receives that same signed-in account, so device-level app removals stay synced. Now you remove members and disable protection features. Go into your family group, select a child profile, and use Remove or Manage to turn off limits. This stops enforcement on their account. Make sure to disable screen time, content filters, and app restrictions individually because they persist until cleared. Then, on each device, sign out of the Microsoft Family Safety app and uninstall it. Unlink devices and account settings so they stop reporting. This two-step clears both account and device control. Finish by uninstalling the Family Safety app from every device and confirming the group is deleted if you no longer need it. Once done, restart devices to ensure cached policies clear and sign back into user accounts to verify restrictions are gone. If a child account still shows limits, make sure that account was removed from the family group rather than just signed out. Sometimes residual policies persist until the account is fully removed. Troubleshooting tip. If restrictions remain, check Azure Active Directory or school/work account ties and remove the family manager role there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.